Hello, my name is Kelli Palumbo, and I just graduated this past May from Binghamton with a degree in Industrial and Systems Engineering, and I'm now in the 4+1 program, so I'm getting my master's in Industrial and Systems Engineering, and I'll be graduating in May 2025. I really had a positive experience during my undergrad, so I decided to stay for one more year to get my master's. Throughout undergrad and grad school, I have really enjoyed the classes that I had to take. A lot of them are project-based, which is really nice, so very hands-on, and you get to work on real-life case studies and industry problems, and you get to work with a variety of different people, so it's definitely prepping me for my future job, getting to work in cross-functional teams and figuring out a solution, which I really enjoyed. I also wanted to stay for one more year because I had already known what the department offered, what classes they offered, and I was familiar with most of the professors. So that was really nice. It was a really good transition from undergrad to graduate because I already known and familiar with the department. And also throughout my undergraduate career, I was very involved with the Society of Women Engineers and the Institute of Industrial and Systems Engineering. And I am now the graduate advisor for both of those organizations. So it's nice that the Watson organizations are meant for undergraduates and graduate students, which is really nice. It's a great way to meet people and get to connect with alumni and get to meet people in your classes. And a lot of these organizations host facility tours. So I know for the Institute of Industrial and Systems Engineering, we hosted a lot of facility tours around Binghamton last year, such as Frito-Lay and Chobani and a bunch of other ones. And now as a graduate student, I also get to help plan these events and help undergrads and also help graduates.